Hello, my name is Kyle Kinsey. I am here to present online my 2014 senior capstone final project. My team, Group 7, idea is based around a simple concept: information. More specifically, information about the iTech concentration classes. There is a general lack of specific information that would aid the student in figuring out what classes they would otherwise need, at what time, at what professors that may teach the class, how they teach it, what materials additionally that they may need. There is an extreme lack of specific information, and a lot of times counselors or those who advise you on what classes to take sometimes do not have an offer to give you. Or otherwise, you or the students may lack regular access to the internet and instead need or want a collective amount of information that would help you choose which courses to take and what additional information the courses may provide. That is why Group 7 has made a program. While this program can be used by any student for the iTech classes and courses, it is more likely to be useful for the younger students or those students who are first coming into the school. One of the closer competitors for this program would be the catalog, which is downloaded and viewed as an Adobe file. Some students either do not have access to Adobe or do not particularly like it because it's buggy or crashes or takes or consumes a lot of resources for their computers. And in addition, the catalog possesses a lot more information about other courses and concentrations that have nothing to do with the iTech classes. And in addition, they have a very generalized information. You have more information that could aid the student in picking when they wish or desire to take a specific concentration set of classes. To acquire Group 7's program, which is not an install type program, it's purely right. It is purely what you see. You don't have to install it, nor is there any additional problems that may cause you to be unable to open it or play it. You come to this website, which is also shown in the Look Here First instructions, which will open up and show you a direct part to download. It will open up your web browser or your primary web browser and bring you here to this site. All you need to do is click here. There'll be a small bit of information here and an online presentation of how to use the program if you do not already know it. There will be three different files that you can download at this time: a changeable variant, a read-only one, and the Visual Studio 2013 files that will be freely given so that the program may be changed if the user so wishes. The changeable one doesn't truly change, as in it will not save your changes, so it's suggested to put it on a Word document that you would put with the program files. They are also zipped in a zip file rather than WinRAR. The program itself has the 5 at this time current main concentrations the iTech courses offer at the school currently. The Network Technology and Administration, Information Assurance and Security, Integrated Digital Media, Software Development, Gaming Design, and Development. When you first open up the program by clicking on the application, after you extract it, it will automatically open up with one currently open page, which is what the radio button here will open for you. Select another one, it will close the previous and open the new, as it would do for each other one. If you're curious about the background, the reason why it was placed here is to give a more greater connection rather than a blank and uninspired feeling that the user would get on a blank background. This would install a more personal feeling that the user would acquire, giving them a more interested feeling in the program. The program uses information and gives additional information that can be found through the catalog the MGA school currently gives. But it takes additional information based upon personal experience in taking some of the classes of the iTech concentration courses, such as, for example, the Windows System Administration for the Network Technologies and Administration course. In this one, the professor taught at least one semester using a lab sim. This is additional information that would aid a student in picking and choosing when they would wish or desire to take this class or not at a particular time. There is, of course, additional information that is also given about any websites a professor may use for a particular class, and each course in each class also has a possible professor and their email address as it is currently at this time of this video. There will be information on the websites that are currently offered or underneath their course name and class number. A small information here devoted that will tell the student additional information about the website, or a general one depending upon what the website's purpose is, such as Shannon Beasley's, who chooses a set number of sites for 2 core classes and to be used generally. In the menu bar, there is a second and final option to choose. It will list all the current concentrations and their class numbers for completion's sake. And while not each class currently has a website at this time, they are here for the sake of completion in case online information can be found. Currently, there are a few classes that do have additional information and their websites that can be gone to. So all that needs to be done is to simply click, and whatever open browser that you currently have will send you to the site. Will open a new page or new window and send you to the site. For the website that this program may be acquired, it is possible to leave comments and email the current site administrator for additional information or comments about possible upgrades to the program.